Good night for our presentation English Level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell my experience the weekend in Cali. 3. The weather in the city of the Cali. Introduce myself. I like listening to music English. Weekend in city of Cali. My name is Heidi Salazar. I was born in Popayán, Cauca. I live in Palmira Valle. I am 27 old, a single marital status. I work in gases from the West, operator technological media, walking and going to the pool weekend, my friends. Tell me experience the weekend in Cali. Stage. Tips to visit the capital of the Cali South in a weekend. Stage 2. The last weekend I chatted with my friends at work. I went to walk to the hill of three crosses in the morning. I went out to eat vainilla ice cream. I went fishing in Marbella, sector de Viges Valle. Then I went to my parents' house. We had a French fish with a salad. The we talked for a while about the familiar topics, and then I went to my house to sleep. Stage 2, when we travel to Cali, Valle del Cauca, the climate is in the morning, the weather is sunny. It is recommended to be summer clothes and sun protection. In the afternoon, it is where it recommended not to expose yourself to the sun for a long time. At night, it is very appropriate for a tour of its parks and monuments. Stage 3. What do you recommend to eat in your city? It is important that you wear two or three dress or gala to explore in nightlife of the Cali or go dancing salsa to one of the many living music venues is the city. It is recommended if I want to learn to dance salsa. The specialist school in Cali, in the Ministry of Tourism, we have a complete list of schools and classes to visit or to practice the lesson as well as enjoy the Bayuna culture. It is necessary that you visit in Cali the different types of restaurant with tropical food. Any part of the world, soon Peru, Arabic, Spanish, among others. It is essential that if you want to observe the great natural wealth of the region, you can visit San Antonio, the cloud forest, locate just 20 minutes from the urban area of Cali and were among 110 species of birds like three things you should do. We ought to have all the visions up to date. You can know more about how our care traveling shower. You should have the hotel door secured. Three things you should not. You should not feed wild animals. You better not give them money, candy or gift to enjoy on the street. You should no actor see yourself as victim. Thank you.